There is another question of NSAT 2026 for the examination of NSAT 2026, and it's taken again from the mock test of that is uploaded in the website. So in the question we are given that there are two schools, Green Valley and Sunrise High. Green Valley and Sunrise High have playgrounds measuring 20 acres and 30 acres. So Green Valley has 20 acres and Sunrise High has 30 acres respectively. These playgrounds are fully allocated for football and cricket. So either they play football and cricket. So both Green Valley and Sunrise High play football and cricket. In Sunrise High, the areas used for football and cricket are in the ratio 5:3. तो सनराइज हाई में जो गेम होता है फुटबॉल और क्रिकेट का, उसमें फुटबॉल और क्रिकेट का जो रेशियो होता है फील्ड ऑफ मतलब एरिया का जो यूज़ होता है उसमें वो 5:3 में डिवाइडेड है फुटबॉल इज टू क्रिकेट में. If the total area used for football and cricket across both school is the ratio 11:9, मतलब ग्रीन वैली और सनराइज दोनों को अगर हम मिला दें तो इसमें जो रेशियो मिलता है हमें फुटबॉल इज टू क्रिकेट का एरिया का जो रेशियो मिलता है तो वो आता है हमारे पास 11:9. व्हाट्स द रेशियो ऑफ फुटबॉल टू क्रिकेट एरिया इन ग्रीन वैलीज प्लेग्राउंड. सो जो ग्रीन वैली का प्लेग्राउंड है उसमें उनका रेशियो कितना होगा ये हमें कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. सो इन द क्वेश्चन वी गिवन दैट वी आर गिवन टू स्कूल्स, वन इज Green Valley and Sunrise High, and that's Sunrise High, and Green Valley has 20 acres of land while Sunrise High has 30 acres of field. So the fields are fully allocated for football and cricket, while the areas used for football and cricket are in the ratio 5:3 for the Green Valley, and the total area is in the ratio 11:9, that is to football is to cricket for both the schools. And we need to calculate what is the ratio of football to cricket area in Green Valley's playground, and we are given 5:3, that is for Sunrise High, not Green Valley, sorry. So we have to calculate Green Valley's playground ratio for football is to cricket. So we can do it like this, that let's see the step by step solution that how to do it. So first see that we are already given the playgrounds measure 20 acre and 30 acre. तो हमें ऑलरेडी गिवन है कि प्लेग्राउंड का जो मेजर है वो 20 और 30 एकड़ में डिवाइडेड है. सो पहले हम देख लेते हैं कि टोटल एरिया क्या होगा. The total area will become here, you can see 20 acre plus 30 acre, it's 50 acres. So the total area combined it becomes 50 acres. So across both school the football is to cricket is given in 11:9. So we can calculate easily from here. See it's given 11:9 for the total area. जो टोटल एरिया हमें गिवन है तो उसका रेशियो है 11:9. और आप देखो कि 11 + 9 अगर हम करते हैं तो हमें 20 मिलता है. तो आप एक चीज़ मान लो कि जो टोटल ग्राउंड है वो 20 पार्ट में डिवाइडेड है और 11 पार्ट में फुटबॉल खेला जाता है तो 9 पार्ट में क्रिकेट खेला जाता है. और अभी हमें निकालना पड़ेगा कि टोटल कितने पार्ट में फुटबॉल होता है, टोटल क्रिकेट कितने पार्ट में होता है. सो टोटल फुटबॉल एंड टोटल cricket. So you need to take out the area of land in which the total football and total cricket, the area that is used. So for total football area you can see that here is given already 11. You can see that 11:9 was the ratio and 11 plus 9 is 20. So if we have to consider the total football area, then we see first we can see that out of 20 parts, in 11 parts they play football. Out of 20 parts they play football in 11 parts. And same for the cricket, that is out of 20 parts they play cricket in 9 parts. So first of all write this, and now see one thing, that what is the total area of the land, that is 50 acres. So this is only the part, and if we need to calculate total area of football or cricket, then multiply it with 50. When you multiply it by 50 it becomes like 27.5 acres, and total cricket area it becomes like 22.5 acres. It's for the total, not for any particular school, it's the total. And now see that the Sunrise Highs, now see for the Sunrise High, for the Sunrise High we are given that we have 30 acres of land and it's divided into 5:3 ratio. So if it's divided into 5:3 ratio, then you can imagine like 5 part is for football, 3 part is for cricket, so the total part becomes 8 part. So for cricket, for football we need to find the area, that what area is used. See for cricket we can say it's 5/8 into, you can see the total area is given 30 acres into 30, and for football we are given 3/8 into 30, and it becomes like 18.75 acres and it becomes like 11.25 acres. So we have already got that how much area is needed. Now we have to find the ratio. So Green Valley football area, so now we have to find Green Valley football area. For Green Valley it will become now very easy, because see the total football area is 27.5 and Sunrise is 18.75, so we have to just subtract it. So when we subtract 27.5 minus 18.75, what we get is 8.75, and similarly it's for football. And now we have to calculate the same for cricket. For cricket it will become, you can see, 22.5 minus 11.25, 22.5 minus 11.25, that is it will become 11.25 acres. That is for cricket. So if we have to calculate the ratio of football is to cricket, then it becomes 8.75 is to 11.25. The ratio becomes like this. So you can also write it at 875 is to 1125. So if we can see that the greatest common divisor here is here the greatest common divisor is 125. You see 875 is to 1125, divide both sides by 125, so it becomes 7 is to 9. So the final answer that will become is 7 is to 9. That's the final answer.